I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
Dan lupa kami ucapkan terima kasih kepada Sanggar Puspita Anggita, Bu Wiwit atau Andi. Terima kasih kepada semua yang telah membantu kami. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.